Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty has performed and how Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform on Monday. See, if you look at this trend, what we have seen, and I've already told you that if the price goes above a level of 37,738, then we can see further uptrend in Bank Nifty. Okay, and if you look at this chart, we have seen a continuous uptrend in the Bank Nifty. Okay, and if you look at this trend, a cup pattern was forming in this particular Bank Nifty. Okay, see, as of now, suppose if the price stays above a level of 38,230, then we can see further upside in the Bank Nifty. Okay, a strong support we can see it coming at around 38,230. Okay, and if it stays above this level, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, if I this is the month chart I'm showing you. Okay, if I show you, okay, suppose if the price suppose if the Bank Nifty stays above this level, okay, then we can see further upside. It can go and cross a level of 39,363, which is a strong resistance, and can more upside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then chances are it can go to a level of 38,899. Okay, and so chances are if it comes close to this level below 39, then chances are it can go and touch a level of 38,899. Okay, suppose if it opens in this particular range, then 38,391 will be treated as a strong resistance, and if it comes close to this level, if it breaks, then we can see further upside. Suppose if it opens in this particular zone going downside, then we can see a strong support coming at 38,885. Okay, and we can see a bounce back from this level, or if it breaks this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 38,675, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 38,576. So what we have to do is, if it opens below this range, below a range of 38,773, then we can see it can if it bounce back from this level and can more upside. Okay, or if it opens above this level, then we'll treat 39,363 as a support, and then it can bounce back from this level. Okay, so what we have to do is, let's wait where the market opens and then we'll decide. Okay, how we'll trade in the Bank Nifty. But first 15-minute candle, then we'll decide. If we talk about Nifty, see, if we talk about Nifty, we have seen the continuous uptrend coming in the Nifty. Now it is trading at around 18,339. I have already told you that there can be a chances, this month was important, that it can go and cross a level of 18,000. Okay, if you look at this trend, a continuous cup trend was forming, and if the price goes above a level of 1793, I was told that the chances are very high that it can go and cross a level of 18,000. Okay, why it is? Because it was the pattern we have seen, the pattern has moved upside, crossed upside, so chances were very high that if it goes above this level, then we can see further upside in the Nifty. Okay, suppose if it opens in this particular zone, then we can see, yes, 18,350 will treat as a strong resistance, and then if it bounce back, if it goes above this level, then we can see further upside. Suppose if it opens this particular zone, then 18,247 will be treated as a strong support, and if it goes more below this level, then we can see a gap which is formed. Chances are very high it can go and fill 18,197, and if it goes more below this level, it can go and touch a level of 18,092, and if it goes more below this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 18,047, and from there we can see it can go and fill this another gap of 18,011. Okay, so what we have to do is, let's wait where the market opens. If it opens below this level, then chances are high it can go and touch a level of 18,021, and suppose if it opens below this level, then chances were very high it can go and fill this gap also of 18,011. Okay, or if it opens above all-time high, then chances are high 18,347 will be treated as a resistance and as a support, and then it can bounce back from this level. Okay, so let's wait where the market opens and then we'll trade accordingly. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.